Understanding the phrase, going to the dogs. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, going to the dogs. This phrase is a great example of how colorful and vivid the English language can be. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in your conversations. Let's get started. Going to the dogs is an idiomatic expression in English. This phrase is used to describe something that is rapidly deteriorating or declining in quality. Interestingly, it does not have anything to do with dogs in a literal sense. Instead, it conveys a sense of degradation or ruin. For example, if a once thriving business is now failing, someone might say it's going to the dogs. The origin of this phrase is quite intriguing. It dates back to times when dog racing was popular, and sometimes associated with disreputable activities or the less savory aspects of society. Saying something is going to the dogs, therefore, implied it was heading towards a lowly or undesirable state. Over time, this expression evolved to generally describe anything in decline, not just linked to dog racing. Now, let's look at how to use going to the dogs in everyday conversation. This phrase is often used in a slightly informal context. For instance, 1. Describing a business or place. Ever since the new management took over, the restaurant is really going to the dogs. 2. Talking about physical condition. This old house is going to the dogs. It needs a lot of repair. 3. Commenting on situations. The quality of this TV show has been going to the dogs since the 3rd season. English is rich with expressions similar to going to the dogs. Some of these include down the drain. This also means something is worsening, often irreversibly. On the decline, a more formal way of saying something is deteriorating. Falling apart, used to describe something that is in a state of disrepair or chaos. And there you have it, a deep dive into the phrase, going to the dogs. Now, not only do you know what it means, but you also understand its origin and how to use it in conversation. Remember, idiomatic expressions like these add color and depth to your English. Happy learning, and we hope this video has been helpful to you. See you in our next lesson.